Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we're going to look into a Shopify Spotlight theme customization tutorial. So in this video I'll be guiding you on how to customize this Shopify the Spotlight theme in Shopify, and then it's just going to be a step-by-step instruction. So if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And now let's get started. So open up Shopify, log into your Shopify account. So once you've logged into your Shopify account here, so what we're going to do, you're going to click on this online store on your left side menu. Click on the online store. So when you get to your online store, this will open up your store here. So once your store opens here, so the first thing here is the themes. So select themes. Okay, click on themes and get to the themes. So here in the themes, the current theme is at the moment it's down, but we're going to look into Spotlight. Okay, so Spotlight. So scroll down, you will get to the theme library here. So here you can search for the themes, or else you can simply find the Spotlight theme here. Actually it's always the first or the second one. You'll easily find it. When you get to the popular themes, you'll see Spotlight here. So if you click on Spotlight, click on add. Okay, click on add, and this theme will be installing to your library here. So what you're going to do is first you go to install it. So when you click on it, this will be installed on your library, and once it's been installed, it can apply it to your online store here. Okay, so we're just going to wait for this to install. So once it has been installed here, next thing what you're going to do is you're going to click on customize. Okay, click on customize to get to the customization page here with the editor where we can edit this theme here. Okay, so as you can see, so this is the first page, so the page here. So when you open up the theme, so this is what you see, the Spotlight theme. Okay, so when you click on customize, you will get to this screen here. So here you have all the section like the header, the content, the footer and all those things here. So now we're going to edit each one by one. We're going to customize everything. So one by one we're going to do that. So firstly we'll start off with the header. So if you click on the header here, you'll get to the header options here. Like when you click on it, you'll get to the header menu options here, which you can simply change it. So for example, if you have a logo, okay, so if you have a logo here, you can add it. So at the end you can select the position. So if you want to add your own logo, you can click on this theme settings here and then click on logo, and then what you're going to do, you're going to click on select logo. So you can either click on select and then upload a logo from your own logo. You can hit on upload image and upload your own customized logo. You can do that, or else you can also explore like use a free images. You can just use that. Okay, free logos, you can use that too. So for example, something like that, you can select it. Okay, select it, and then if you see, it will be added here. So you can simply click on it and move it around. Okay, and then if you get back to these sections here, so now the logo position, you can select it and you can place it wherever you want to. So as you can see, you can place it wherever you want to. And then the mobile logo position. So if you want to use this site on a mobile, so in a mobile way, you can also customize where you want it to appear. Okay, so I'll just leave these on my top left. That's fine. Okay, and you have the other types here where you can set the menu tab, how do you want to, the color scheme, everything you can select here. So you can simply select anything if you want to, if you like it, see, something like that. So you can simply customize the theme. Okay, customize the theme, and if you got these more settings here which you can play around to customize the theme, that's fine. And also if you want to add a section, so for example, you've got a here option to the section here, but if you want to add a new section, so what are you going to do? See, if you want to add a section, like for example something like this, if you want to add a section, you can click on this add section, and then here you can choose to add whatever you want to. So for example, I want to add something like for example featured collections or featured product collection list, or a banner or something like that. So I can do that. So for example, I want to add a banner. So for example, like a banner, if I want to, I can do that. So once you're done with the header, you can go back and add a footer. So if you go to footer here, you can click on the footer. So here you can edit this however you want to. You can select the color scheme, change it, edit it, and then if you want to add anything here, so you can type in here, subscribe to our email, something like that. If you want to add in, you can just click on it, then it will be added, subscribe to our email. So something, if you want to add anything, you can just customize here and then set it up. Okay, that's for the footer. If you want to do that, you can do that. And then once you're done with the footer, so here in the contents, if you want to add a section or anything like that, so what you can do, if you're going to click on this option here, so add add section. So if you click on template and hit on add section, now here you can add any type of things. So for example, like if you want to add a new section, like for example for a slideshow, so you can click on slideshow and it will be added here. So as you can see, a slideshow will be added here. So here you can maybe put a slideshow of your products. You can do that. So what you do, you can simply like click on this. So here, if you click on it here, you can select an image. So here click on select and then add an image. So you can simply use any images here. So add images, click on add images, and then you can just use any images. So you can just, for example, I'm just going to use a random image. I'll just use this, hit on open, okay, and then you can select this, upload it, it will be uploaded, and then once it's done you can select it, okay, and then hit on done. As you can see, the image will be added here, and then you can customize this or whatever you want to. So instead of the text, if you want to change the text, you can change it. As for example, like you can write new collections, so however you want to. And then the button label here, so if you want to customize that, you can also do that here. So if you click on his button label here, you can customize it. And if you want to add a link to that button, so you can paste the link here. So anyway, however you want to, you can just, and the layouts here, so you can simply remove the layouts and play around with it. And then you have the images. So this is how you can like add more content. So similar to a slideshow, you can add a lot of other things as well. So for example, if you click on add section, here you can choose with anything. If you want to add a banner, you can choose a banner, okay, or a collage or anything else. If you want to add some text, you can click on text, add some text. And then if you want to add some like collapsible content, you can add a collapsible content, or any other. If you want to embed a video, send a video of something, so you can click on the video option and then add a video. You can do so multiple things that you can do on these things. So that's how you can add like customize the internal sections in that. And then you can also like move around the image, the slides here. So for example, if we go back here, so if you want to move anything, I can simply click and drag and move it. So for example, if I want to move an image or any other features around, all I have to do is simply click and drag it. Or if I want to delete anything, so I can simply click on this. When you hover over the mic or the mouse to the item, you will see a delete option there. You can tap on it to delete it, so that way you'll get rid of it. You can delete that. And then for here, next what you can do, I can tell you, like if you want to edit a product page here. So next, if you click on a product page, so for example here, okay, so for example, what you can do, if you click on a featured product, so product here, so for example here, okay, so this one here, so this is the collections. So here click on it and you'll be able to edit everything here. So everything here will be you can edit on the left side menu here. So you can add a heading, change everything, and fully edit it to whatever you want to, however you want to. You can fully edit that. You're good to do that. So you can fully also edit whatever the content you want to. As I said, it's all customizable. You can simply click on each element and then you will have all the options to edit on your left side, so you can simply play around with that. And also another thing that I would like to highlight in this video is try to make sure that you also customize for mobile viewing, because as you know, nowadays most of the people use your sites or browse sites on their mobile. So you need to make sure how does your site looks like on your mobile. So if you click on this option here, mobile option, so this will show how your website will look like on your mobile. So make sure that your website also looks good on the mobile version. So the mobile version is also looking good. And if you want to make any if there's something that you want to change, so make sure you can change that. So you can put it in the mobile view, and then you can do the editing here in order to edit how it looks like on the mobile view as well. So you just keep that in mind, because it's pretty important in nowadays, as people like to browse on the phones nowadays. And that's pretty much it is. So that sums up the tutorial here. So you can feel free to play around with this spotlight theme here. And I hope that's pretty much it is. Hope the video was helpful to you all. If you found this video useful, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you all in another new video. Thank you.